In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for human resources. Monday.com is a versatile platform that can help streamline your HR processes from recruitment to managing employee information. So let's dive into it. First, head over to Monday.com on your web browser and log in. You can find the login option conveniently located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you're already familiar with the site, this is where you typically begin. You'll have the choice to sign in with Google or manually type in the email address you'll be using. If you opt for Google, just select the email address associated with your account from the options provided. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your workspace. Here you'll notice a blue plus sign button on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on this button. It serves as your gateway to creating new boards or projects. In the menu that appears, look for the option labelled board. You might find yourself feeling like a kid in a candy store because Monday.com offers a plethora of choices, but don't worry, we'll guide you through. Hover your mouse over the arrow next to board. This will prompt a drop-down menu from which you'll want to select Start with Template. Templates are a great way to hit the ground running because they come pre-configured with the structure you need. In the template search box, type in recruitment and press enter. This action will pull up relevant templates in the system. Among the available options, choose recruitment and onboarding. This template is specially designed to help you manage your hiring process and integrate new employees smoothly into your team. Once the template is selected, you'll click on Use Template, and just like that, you now have a dedicated board for recruitment and onboarding employees. But wait, there's more. Included with this template, you'll have an employee directory board. This is incredibly useful for keeping a digital Rolodex of your staff, complete with all their pertinent details. Efficient, right? All of these resources are neatly housed in one folder, making it super easy to manage and navigate. In one fell swoop, you've created a robust organizational system on Monday.com to support your HR team's efforts. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to harness Monday.com for HR purposes. With this setup, you'll find managing recruitment and employee records much simpler, leaving you with more time to focus on the human element of human resources. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore further options that Monday.com offers for optimizing your team's productivity. Happy organizing!